Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and battery. Make sure the Crusher Evo has at least 20% charge. Low battery can block pairing. Press and hold the power/ANC button briefly to power on, then release. Once on, you should hear the startup tone. If you hear nothing, try a quick soft reset by holding power for 10 seconds. Meanwhile, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it within 3 meters, so signals are strong and uninterrupted as you proceed with pairing. You now force the Crusher Evo into pairing mode. Press and hold the power/ANC button for about 6 to 8 seconds. This is longer than a normal power press. Once done, watch the LED. A steady alternating blue and white or rapid blue flash signals pairing mode. You'll also hear an audible cue announcing pairing. If you release too early, the headset will stay connected to a previous device, so keep holding until you see the LED pattern and hear the voice prompt. You finish by selecting Crusher Evo on your phone's Bluetooth list. Tap the exact name and accept any pairing request. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone and the LED will settle. Make sure your phone routes media audio to the headset. If the name doesn't appear, toggle your phone's Bluetooth, move closer, or restart the headphones. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the headset by holding power and volume plus for 10 seconds. Then repeat the pairing sequence if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.